Tunisian MPs have refuted the UN human rights chief's accusations. The parliamentary bloc of the Sovereign National Line has rejected what it described as rumors of a mass grave near the Tunisian border with Libya.
The alleged accusations are based on a fake report. This is Western propaganda to direct the international attention from the real crimes taking place against children, women and elderly people in real war zones to so-called human rights violations in our country. We should never forget that European and Western colonial strategies are responsible for the misery, conflicts and mass migration in Africa.
The Tunisian Forum for Economic and Social Rights, which specializes in migration issues, said the UN official has not provided any concrete evidence to prove the serious accusations.
The UN human rights chief speaks about a mass grave discovered along the Libya-Tunisia border. There is no evidence and no official reaction from the Tunisian and Libyan authorities. The UN accusations imprecise and open to interpretation.
Tunisia has emerged as a key transit point for sub-Saharan African migrants and asylum seekers aiming to reach Europe. Analysts explain that the growing number of undocumented migrants threatens stability in the North African region.
The flow of irregular migrants is relentless. Thousands are entering Tunisia from Libya and Algeria. They are trapped as they cannot leave by sea to reach Europe. This is part of the deal between the North African country and the EU. But Tunisia refuses to become a land for settlement of undocumented migrants who threaten social peace.
Caught between Tunisia's push to pressure the European Union to provide more support to curb migration on the one hand, and the EU securing its borders on the other, tens of thousands of sub-Saharan African migrants find themselves trapped in the North African region. Last year, Tunisian authorities rounded up refugees and asylum seekers and expelled them to a remote buffer zone at Tunisia's border with Libya. In the second half of 2022, sub-Saharan Africans surpassed Tunisians as the largest group migrating to Europe from Tunisia. This trend gained momentum in 2023, consolidating Tunisia's status as a migration hub. Abdel Shawishi, CGTN, Tunis.